Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. That leopard keeps frightening him. I will go and see the superintendent about it. Here, you know that grandfather, Ruskin Bond, the writer's grandfather, has gone to the zoo, Lucknow Zoo, where Timothy was caged. Now, after meeting them, now he said he was thinking that one leopard is, and leopard is always disturbing him. This is the reason he said to the zookeeper that why you don't put him another cage. That leopard is actually frightening him always. So now he said that. Now after that, grandfather said, "Okay, I will go to the superintendent of the zoo and I will say about it." Then grandfather went in search of the superintendent of the zoo, but found that he had gone home early, and so after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to the Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. Now after grandfather has gone in search of superintendent, but actually on that day superintendent had gone home early. And now yeah, grandfather hasn't met to superintendent. Again he returned to the Timothy's zoo. Why? To say goodbye. Because of why? Because actually it's getting dark. And now he had been stroking and slapping Timothy's for about 5 minutes. And when he found another keeper observing him with some alarm, grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. And now again, grandfather had just hitting on his forehead, etc. Actually, 5 minutes he was just uh, then observing. After that, there is another zookeeper. Another keeper has came there, and now this time grandfather recognized that when he has come with Timothy when he was very young. Now at the time that was the gatekeeper. And then he said, grandfather said, "You remember me? Now, why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard?" "But, sir," stammered the keeper, "it is not your tiger." Now, after that, grandfather said to the zookeeper, "You remember me? Do you remember me? And why? Just what?" He said that transfer it. Transfer Timothy in another case, because that leopard is actually disturbing him always. But actually stammered the keeper. And now the zookeeper was totally stammered. Stammered means he was totally a little bit surprised. And now he said, "Sir, it's not your tiger." I know," said grandfather testily. "I realize he is no longer mine, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me." And after grandfather said, "Yes, yes, I know that it's not mine actually this time, because it's yours. It's a Jew's tiger now." And now he said, "But you can take suggestion. Whatever I am giving you suggestion, you can take from me." "I remember your tiger well, very well, sir," said the keeper, "and he died 2 months ago." And now what he said? Zookeeper had said, "Sir, definitely I remember it. I remember it. Your tiger very well," said the keeper, "and he died 2 months ago." It means here, I remember. He said that I know, sir, very well. I know your tiger, and your tiger Timothy. He had already died 2 months ago. He had already died. Died. After that, grandfather totally surprised, shocked like, "Yes, sir. Of pneumonia, this tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous." Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. Grandfather took what seemed to him an ace to withdraw his hands from the case. Yes. Now zookeeper has said, "Yes, sir. Timothy the tiger was already died." "How?" "Yes, sir," he said, "that due to pneumonia." "Yes, yes, sir. This tiger was trapped in the hills last month, and he was very. This tiger, actually, whatever Actually, grandfather was understanding that this tiger, Timothy, but he said the gate zookeeper had said this tiger actually trapped last month from the forest area, and it's very dangerous. Grandfather could think of nothing to say. The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish, and grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. And after, still that tiger actually is still licking grandfather's arm, and grandfather actually just hitting his on his forehead. And after that, after hearing the news, sad news of Timothy the tiger's death, and now grandfather has taken out his own arm, and after, with his face near the tiger, he mumbled, "Good night, Timothy," and giving the keeper a scornful look, walked briskly out of the zoo. And after that, after looking the tiger's face, now he said, grandfather said, "Okay, Timothy, good night." And now it's time. He was going, and now he was going to the return to home, and now it's time. Okay, thank you for